Hello and welcome to the Learn English with Lingwala. I am super excited to have you here for a very important and essential lesson. Today we are going to dive into the fundamental structures of the English language that will help you speak and write more fluently, more confident. So let's get started. Understanding basic sentence structure. So first up, we will have a look about the basic sentence structures in English. Basically, we have sentence making a formula or structure which we follow for the sentence making. So which is a very important. So now move on the category one, basic sentence structure in English. So we have a formula which is a very common in sentence making, which is subject plus verb plus object. So now move on. Let's break down the this formula with the examples. For example, she writes a letter. So there is a very simply a very enhancing way to write something. That's we always work that uh, the subject is one, who what is the sentence is about, and the verb shows the action and the object shows the receive the actions basically. So practicing this will make you communication clear and effect. So now move on the category 2, the main sentence structures in English, or the types of the sentence making. So there are four types of sentence structure. Number one is simple sentences, number two compound sentences, three complex sentence, and the four compound complex sentence. So now move on the first category, simple sentence. Is there we are also seeing that the simple sentence consists only one independent clause. For examples, the dog barks. In this sentence we are very uh, common understanding of this sentence making. Now move on the category 2 or types 2, compound sentence. It is based on two independent clauses plus conjunctions. For example, I wanted to go outside but it started to rain. So there is two independent clauses plus a combination, a conjunction. So it becomes a compound sentences with the help of the two independent plus one conjunction. So I hope you understanding a very common and very easy way. So now we move on the category number 3, complex sentences. Is based on one or more dependent clauses. For examples, although it was raining, I went for a walk. So there are we obviously we are saying we are watching, or we are looking that there in this sentence we have two types of complexity, and the number fourth is compound complex sentences. These sentences are based on two independent clauses plus one more dependent clauses. For example, I got home from work, my friends invited me out, and I left my apartment again. So compound complex sentence based on the these types of making sentences. Now move on the break down these examples. I got home from work, my friends invited me, I left my apartment again is also a independent clauses. And this is the combination of the making of compound complex sentence. Section 4, which is the essential part of this video, which is practice makes perfect. So practice is the key to mastering these structures. So here are some activities you can use. Sentence building, you have to be create a sentence using structures with the these with the discussion we have done in this video, and write down at least 5 simple sentences. Also you have to work out on the types of sentences you will make, around two or three types of two or three sentences each of the type. For example, simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and both and last one. So thanks for watching. To wrap things up, mastering English language structure is essential for effective communication. So remember to practice these structure regularly. Hope you enjoyed this lesson, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updated and very unique videos to learn English practice with me. And until next time, keep practicing and stay motivated.